Morning students. In previous class we completed 4.6 of determinant chapter. Today some problems miscellaneous example and miscellaneous exercise discuss. Okay, miscellaneous example 33 that is in page number 139. Page number 139, and that miscellaneous example 33. This is example 33. What's the problem? Use product 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4 3 minus 2 4, right? Minus 2 0 1 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. Okay, use product, this product of the two matrices to solve the system of equations. Solve system of equations x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1, 2y minus 3z is equal to 1, 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 2. Okay. First find product, next solve system of equations. Solution. First we will find product of these matrices. 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4. Okay, next minus 2 0 1 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. So this is the product. Okay, what is the product? This is equal to multiply first row, first column 1 into minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 1 into 9 minus 9 2 into 6 12. Okay, first element complete. First row, second column, 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 2 into 2 plus 2 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 plus 2. Next, first row, third column 1 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 2 into minus 2 minus 4, right? Next, second row, first column 0 into minus 2 0 2 into 9 18 minus 3 into 6 minus 18. Next, 0 into 0 0 2 into 2 plus 4 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Next, second row, third column 0 into 1 0 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, right? Third, first column 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 into 9 minus 18 4 into 6 plus 24. Next, third row, second column, 3 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, and minus 3 into 1, minus 3, one step, 0 into 0, 2 into 2, 4. Second row, second column, 0 into 0, 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. So here is plus 4. 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4, minus 2 0 1, 9 2 minus 3, 6 1 minus 2. Right, first row, first row, okay, see this is the third row. Third row, 3 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 4 into 1, plus 4. Right. Next, third row, third column, 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6, 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Right. You see, minus 11 plus 12, 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 18 minus 18, 0, 4 minus 3, 1, minus 6 plus 6, 0, right? 24 minus 24, 0, 0, 9 minus 8, 1. So this is identity matrix. This is identity matrix. Product of two matrices. You got answer identity matrix. Okay. Suppose two matrices same order. A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. Then A is called invertible matrices. A inverse is equal to we know AB is equal to B is equal to I. That implies A inverse is equal to what? B. A inverse is equal to B. Hence, A into B is equal to I. Hence, this is treated as A and B. This inverse is equal to this one. Hence, 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4 inverse value what this one, this is matrix, this inverse value minus 2 0 1 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. Okay, this matrix inverse is equal to this one. Next what is the problem? First, use product. Okay, find out use product to solve the system of equations. Actually, in previous problems, in exercise, solve the system of equations means we apply matrix method. In that matrix method, what is solution of the matrix? Solution of the matrix X is equal to A inverse into B. What is A inverse? 1 by ZA of adjoint A into B. Adjoint A means cofactors of A. Okay, first of all, cofactors, next adjoint 1 by ZA into adjoint A and into B. Then you get answer variable matrix, the values of X, Y, Z. Okay, here not necessary this process, this method. They ask use the product term, use this concept term. Okay, first of all, given system of equations can be written in the matrix form. written in matrix form. What is matrix form? Ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b. So otherwise you write like this one. A means quotient matrix. What is quotient matrix? 1 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1 2. Next 0 2 minus 3. Why 0 means there is no x. There is no x. Only plus 2y minus 3z. X quotient not there means so consider as 0. Next 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 4. Right. Ax is equal to b. X y z. Ax is equal to b. B means 1 1 2. Ax is equal to b. Then x is equal to what? Then x is equal to a inverse into b. Then x is equal to ax is equal to b. X is equal to a inverse into b. Then what is x? X y z. X y z is equal to a means this one. 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4. Okay. Right. X is equal to a inverse into b. B means 1. This inverse. A inverse into b. 1 1 2. Okay. We want A inverse. Natural general method is get A adjoint. Once you look this product value, this into this one. Finally, you got answer. This inverse is equal to this one. Compare with this matrix A and this matrix. Both are same. 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 0 2 minus 3. 3 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 4. So given equations quotient matrix and product of the two matrices, one of them is same. Therefore inverse. So this inverse is equal to this one. In place of this one, substitute this inverse value, inverse matrix value right here. Okay. Therefore XYZ inverse, this matrix inverse is equal to this one. Therefore minus 2 0 1 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. B matrix 1 1 2 1 1 2. Multiply. Minus 2 into 1. Minus 2. This is 3 by 3. This is 3 by 1. Resultant matrix is 3 by 1. So 3 rows, only single column. So that's why don't mistake here. Minus 2 into 1. Take next plus 0 into 1. 0. 1 into 2. 2. Next second row, that column. 9 plus 2 minus 6. Next 6 plus 1 minus 4. Okay. So therefore XYZ is equal to minus 2 plus 2 0. 11 minus 6 5. 5 minus 4 7 minus 4 3. Therefore x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 3. Given in equation substitute these values, satisfy or not. Once you check 2z is equal to 1. All equations just want to take 0 minus 5 2 into 3. This is equal to minus 5 plus 6 1. So this RHS value same, satisfy the given given equation. Substitute these values equal. Therefore our answer is correct. So this is the problem. This is the different model about the exercise problems. Okay, this is also 5 marks problem. Next, one more important problem from miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Page number 142. Problem number 16. Miscellaneous exercise. Solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equations. System of equations. 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equal to 4. Next, 4 by x. 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equal to 1. And next, 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equal to 2. Okay, right. These are the given system of equations. Actually, given system of equations, linear equations means 2x plus 3y plus some 4z is equal to some values are simultaneous system of non-homogeneous linear equations. But these equations are reciprocal of x, reciprocal of y, reciprocal of z. These are also reciprocals. How to solve this type of problems? Let us take reciprocal of x value. Let us take. Let us take 1 by x. 1 by x value 1 by x is equal to u. 1 by y value is equal to b. 1 by z value, let it be w. Okay, now convert the equations. 2u plus 3b plus 10w is equal to 4. 4u minus 6v plus 5w is equal to 1. 6u plus 9v minus 20w is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Okay, right. These system of equations can be written as in the matrix form. These equations can be written in matrix form. In matrix form, Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. What is A here? 2, 3, 10, 4, minus 6, 5, 6, 9, minus 20. This is, what is x? X is equal to x, y, z. X, u, v, w. Already let it be, u, v, w. Take here, u, v, w. Here B vectors matrix 4, 1, 2. Okay, 4, 1. Now we'll find x is equal x matrix. X is equal to, that implies x is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse means 1 by det of adjoint. 1 by det of adjoint. That implies find determinant of A value. Determinant of A value 2, 3, 10, 4, minus 6, 5, 6, 9, minus 20, det value. Okay. 2 r minus 6, 5, 9 minus 20, minus 3 r, relating this one, this column, 4, 5, 6, minus 20, plus 10 r, deleting this one, this column, 4 minus 6, 6, 9. Okay, 6, 9. Determinant value. That is 2r. 620 is 120 minus into minus plus 120. 9 5s. Minus 9 5s 45. Minus 3r. Minus 80. Minus 30. Minus 80. Minus 30. So this is 10. Plus 10 of 36, minus into minus, plus 36, 2 of 120 minus 45, 75, minus 80 minus 30, minus 110, minus into minus, plus 3 into 110, 330, 36 plus 36, 72, 72 into 10, 720. This value, okay, 150, 330, 720, 720, 330, 150, 0, 5, 8, 10, 10, 11, 12. So determinant value how much? That A value is equal to 1200. That A value is equal to 1200. Next you find adjoint A. Adjoint A means first of all you find cofactors. Cofactors of A. Okay, cofactors of A. So this is A matrix. A11 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 1 to the power of okay, this also arrest. A matrix. This one minus 1 to the power of. This is let it be take here, right here. This also arrest. Just write here. A is equal to 2, 3, 10 and 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. A matrix. B matrix is equal to 4, 1, 2. Yes. Right. Cofactors. Cofactors means it's minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 minor of that one. Deleting first row, first column, -6, 5, 9, -20. This value is equal to -10 to the power of 1 plus 1. Even number. -10 to the power of even number plus 120 -45. This is equal to 75. Next up. A12 -1 to the power of 1 plus 2 and its minor. What is its minor? Right nearest here. This is A 2, 3, 10, 4, -6, 5, 6, 9, -20. Right. Okay. A12 means this value deleting this row and this column 4, 5, 6 -20. 4, 5, 6 -20. This is equal to -1 to the power of 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 80 minus 30. This is equal to minus plus 110. Minus 80 minus 30 plus 110. Right. A13 -1 to the power of 1 plus 3 and its minor. A13 deleting this row and this column. This is the minor of 4 -6, 6, 9. That implies that is equal to -1 to the power of 1 plus 3. Even -1 to the power of even means plus 36 minus of 36. So minus into minus plus 36, that is equal to 70. Next one. A21 means -1 to the power of 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 and its minor. A21 deleting this row and this column. Deleting this row and this column. 3, 10, 9 -20. 3, 10, 9 -20. This value is equal to -1 to the power of 2 plus 1. Odd number. This is -1. -60. This is -60 minus 90 again 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9, -20. This is A. Right. -150 into minus plus 150. Next one. A22 is -1 to the power of 2 plus 2 and its minor. -1 to the power of 2 plus 2 and its minor. A22 with this one, deleting this row and this column. Remaining elements, this one, 2, 10, 6 -20, 6 -20, that is equal to -1 to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 20 minus 40 minus 60, that is equal to -100. Next one. A23 means this one, deleting this row and this column. 2, 3, 6, 9. -1 to the power of 2 plus 3. -1 to the power of 2 plus 3. Deleting this row and this column. 2, 3, 6, 9. That implies -1 to the power of 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 odd number. 5 odd number. -1 to the power of odd number. Minus 2 9s 18. 6 3s 18. This value is equal to 0. Right. Next one. A31. This one. -1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into its minor. Deleting this row this column, deleting this row, this column. 310 minus 65 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1, even number, plus 5 3s 15 minus 6 minus plus 60. This is equal to 75. Next time, A32 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 and it's minor. A32, this is A32, deleting this row, this column, deleting this row, this column, 2 10 4 5, 2 10 4 5, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1 to the power of 5, minus 10 minus 40, that is equal to minus 30, minus 6 minus plus 30. Next one, A33 means this one, deleting this row and this column, deleting this row, this column, remaining elements 2 3 4 minus 6, 2 3 4 minus 6, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 means 3 plus 3 even, minus 1 to the power of even number plus minus 12, that is equal to minus 24. If the cofactors are formed, cofactors of A11 75, A12 110, A13 72, A21 150, A22 minus 100, A23 0, A31 75, A32 30, A33 minus 24. Right. Adjoint A is transpose of cofactors of A, transpose of cofactors. So that is transpose. Take this transpose 75, 110, 72, 150, 100, 0, 75, 30, minus 24. Transpose this rows and columns interchange. So adjoint completed. Next step. A inverse is equal to directly write x is equal to problem A inverse into B. X is equal, what is the inverse? 1 by det A adjoint A into B. What is det A value? 1200. X is equal to 1 by 1200 adjoint A. 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24, 4, 1, 2. So this one. First to multiply these two, afterwards divide with this one. Don't multiply inside. Inside makes your calculations very big. So first to multiply this one, afterwards divide this one. Calculations very easy. So that implies 1 by 1200 multiply this row, this column 75.4 300 plus 1 into 150 150. This is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 1 matrix. Resultant answer also 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means 3 rows, single column. Very careful, multiply 70.2 150. Next, this row, this column 110 into 4 440 minus 100 plus 60. 70 into 2 into 4. Okay, that is 4 2s 8, 4 7s 28. 0 into 1 plus 0 minus 48. Next, capital X is equal to 1 by 1200, 300 plus 300, 600. 440 plus 60, 500. 500 minus 100, 400. 288 minus 48, 240. Right. This is equal to 600 by 1200, 400 by 1200, 240 by 1200. This is x value. What is x? Write this. Four factors. What is x? X is equal to u v w. U v w is equal to 600 by 1200. 600 by 1200. 2 zeros cancel. 6 2s. And zeros cancel. 4 3s. 0 cancel. 24 5s. So that is 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Therefore, u is equal to 1 by 2, but 1 by x is equal to u. So therefore, 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. That implies x is equal to how much? X is equal to 2. We find out x, y, z values. Solve the system of equations given in terms of x but reciprocal. Solve with that is find the x values. Right. B is equal to 1 by 3, but 1 by y is equal to b. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. It implies y is equal to 3. Next, w is equal to 1 by 5. But 1 by z is equal to w, 1 by z is equal to 1 by 5, implies z is equal to 5. So therefore, finally, what are the x, y, z values? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. Okay. What any verification means substitute there. Substitution, just again for the equation, 2 by 3, sorry, 2 by x, 3 by y, 10 by z is equal to 4. X value 2 by 2, y value 3, 10 by, this is z value 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, RHS. Therefore, these are the x values. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to z. So, like this type of problems given reciprocals, reciprocal 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, it will be another variable and solve same process. Finally, substitute in the place of 1 by x is equal to u, v, w, we will get x, y, z values. This is the missing section. This also 5 was. And one more important problem. Solve these miscellaneous example problems remaining and miscellaneous exercise problems also. And examples also. Example 28 also will do. Example 28 also will do. Example 29. Example 29. Before exercise of 4.6, that is page number 135. Okay, this is word problem. Like this is given. The sum of three numbers. The sum of three numbers is 6. The sum of three numbers is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number add second number to it, comma, we get 11 by adding first and third numbers we get double of the second number, represent it algebraically, and find the numbers using matrix method. Okay, see once. This also famous problem. Example, word problem. First word problem can be converted into equations algebraically. First of all, represent it algebraically. What is the algebraic expression? That is inter-algebraic equation of the that is in terms of variables and terms separated by plus and minus. That is the algebraic equation. Okay. Represent it algebraically and find the numbers using the matrix method. First of all, the sum of three numbers. Let it be three numbers x, y, z. So first equation, the sum of three numbers x plus y z is equal to 6. First equation completed. Stop. Second, if we multiply third number by 3 and add second number, so y plus second number y multiplied by third number by 3, y plus 3z is equal to, we get 11. That is the second. There is no x value 0. Right. By adding first and third numbers, we get double of the second number. Full stop. Represent it algebraically. Okay, represented. So this is algebraic equations. And find the numbers. Means find the x, y, z values using matrix method. Remaining process same. Here A is quotient of matrix and this is B. X is the x, y, z. Same process. Det A inverse 1 by det A into adjoint A. Next x is equal to A inverse into B. Same method. Find cofactors and approach transpose of cofactors is 8 track. So this also no problem. So students, this especially this important 4.6 exercise 5 marks and miscellaneous examples, and this is example miscellaneous exercise that 16 problem explain. Okay students, we will continue next class, next session. Thank you.